Wagwan ENT.
Kentucky must step on the table. Now whip, put on the pot and start to steam some rice. Throwing chicken niggle man and throwing little oil. Put in scallion and put in thyme. When it simmer down, him set to start to eat him say, Jenko Jesus, me can mine. Look up on the dreadlocks and wondering style. Simplicity and come to me from the hands of the hands of equality. Take them girl away from high captivity and send them go down in the Caribbean Sea. Because pretty look is deceiving. The pretty look is deceiving, girl. Your pretty look can't hold me. And your tights can't hold me. Your ears ring can't hold me. Your lipstick can't hold me. Because you can't look so good. Do she have all the makeup? Her face looks so good. Do she have all the makeup? Even on star. And her hair look like any coolie. Do she have the DJ girl? And her lip look so highly. Do she have on the lipstick? And her hip looks so tight. Do she have on a gurgle? And her foot looks so clean. Do she have on a stocking? And you can't see she elephant toe. Do she have on a nice shoes? But breaks it, man. Yeah, man. No, Colonel. Well, easy. That's easy. You can have a ship overload. The general, the colonel. A worries, man. It's a history, sin. And a sister.
Looking shy, looking well. Girl is mine.
Right now, when I come to curse, no woman, you know. Saying, what is reality we are flash? Lord, borrow clothes, borrow clothes. Some gyal a borrow clothes. Come and dance all, then I pose and not them clothes. Yes. Lord say I'm on the Chevron prop. But they come in and they dance on the boats and the rock. Yes, mine sit here it from STUR GAV box. 2 kick and punch you woulda get fit that. You know Sarah spend on a pink and black. Yes, Lord I got and Josie Wales love it chat. Borrow clothes, them borrow people clothes. Them coming on the dance and a model of the pose. Yes, shoes where she have on a Jennifer own. Pants where she have on a Sharon own. The hair where she have on a Jennifer wiggle. She coming on the dance and I go like she big. Borrow clothes. Some girl a borrow clothes. Some girl a borrow nose, yes. Cast your eye, don't turn up your nose. Brigadier and Josie, them no borrow people clothes. Anything they wear fresh from New York. Anywhere they pass people, them just a talk. Borrow clothes. No borrow people clothes, yes. Jennifer coming on the dance at that. Post and show off in a Sharon frock. No much she pay down, a pink and black. Mine she go tear it from STUR GAV box. It's tomorrow morning, a lot of people punch and yeah, rough. Boom. Think cloud, beggy. Now this one called the beggy. Originate by the man Frankie Paul. Arobado. Hey. Becky, the girl, Becky, she's not ready. Becky, the girl, Becky. The girl, she's not ready. Why, boy? Borrow clothes, she a borrow people clothes. Borrow clothes, she a borrow people clothes. Every man she see, she stop and oppose. Yeah. She a tell me say she want to bring her home. No, me can't even too vex with a daughter if she borrow one thing in a general. Things kinda tight, Rastafari no saying. If I see the girl in my fair wear some spider web bras here now and I'll see her sucker panty come back in a fashion. So don't worry yourself. That things get thin enough. I know it go. Cockatoo. Now the harder of the day. Thing called Bam Bam. Easy general.
Remember Coco TV at the microphone stand. Me hold the mic in my little and I Coco TV up here on this session.
Out of lamps. I dedicate this one to the Wonderland Syndicate. Don't feel the way although we don't win no money yet. Oh, still not fret. No, boom, boom. Yes. You should wrong. You should not keep another man with your man. You should wrong. You should not keep another man with your man. Mr. Sophia George with the girly. Yes, a Charlie Chaplin with the boy. Yes, a Josie Wales with a nothing. Brigadier the General not satisfied. Should not keep another man with your man. Badang, yes. One thing me can't like a beggy people who beg pound of flour and then full of wave. And we come and dance all man, we have principle. If we pass here, the bar appear empty buckle. Should not keep another man with your man. Badang, yes. Spanish town pass make we hear you. Kingston pass make we hear you. Brigadier pass make we come in. Lance man, you can't blow you know. Dashing through the snow, and I want some open way. Man, ball out on the fields we know, laughing all the way. Those bells and crackles ring, make Christmas spirit shine. But me say, oh, the world found it is to ride. I don't see before 100. Me have to flash my dread, flash my dread, flash me naughty dread. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a CB4 plus a Z. Flashing at the dread, flashing at the dread, flashing at the dread. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a CB400 coming on, man. I ain't in a ramp. Every man have to take a piece of the cake. For the cake big, one man can't eat it off. And someone dead if you're hungry. Yeah, man. See? Hear them style here. Mali. One on cocoa. Are you big? One pot of chocolate tea. Yeah, man. Can't feel me slapping. Gonna take me to jump on the beach. We'll be taking to jump on the beach. Where am I coming from now? And the sting, here's the vibe. Sing, cinema too. Yeah, man. Down by the sea. Got a blanket on my baby. Man says pick room and downtown can't play. Man says pick room and downtown can't play. Don't get 5-5. See no Johnny broke a back and fling it off to me and I told Mom and Ma told Paul and John get a beat and we'll laugh say ha ha ha. Hey. Yes, my lion even no star. They don't know how strictly robot don't so get I play. See no inspector Willie man them see like right away. He's a strictly robot don't so get I play. See now a strictly robot don't get I play. Man won't hear me ball out this is the harder of the day. So I'm on a work and so I'm on getting paid. Don't say no prayers, so the devil is just day. Then the devil say, Lord, them up and run away as long as say, man. Strictly rubber dub and we are play. This a strictly rubber dub and we are play. Come on down, man. It no matter what they say, when I tell you about this, so we let Julie lays away. That was strictly rubber dub, so you have to play. When it's better, we release, you let right away. Man called Josie Wales, man, them shot this right away. Now you better listen when the Brigadier say, man, I'm strictly rubber dub and we are play. Man, I'm strictly rubber dub and we are play. Now what am I gonna do when me and Josie got back up for rent? What am I gonna do when me and Josie got back up for rent? What am I gonna do when me and Josie got back abroad? What am I gonna do when me and Josie gone abroad? Them must be in a bar, punching jukebox and drinking stone. While me the lyrics just a flash out and we mount. We control the east, west, north and south. No matter where them do, them could and never get me out. Cause what I'm gonna do when me and Josie gone abroad? What I'm gonna do when me and Josie gone abroad? I check it, me selector. Cause so we and Josie run to foreign every time. Yes, General, you don't know you are my DJ brother and the principal. I'll be suspect to each and every man in them, but don't feel the way. I'll just pull up and block it. I look at one here, I'll flash that one up here, look at daughter named Malika. Nice little daughter who clean and thing and love her and thing, cause you know we stay. Hey, there was a time, hey, when I used to ram dance all. Now is the time for me to flash it internationally. Banding, oh, dang. They are people crying for the ragamuffin down the Josie. Nothing come ram dance all and come cock party. Badang, power down. Yes, them can't stop the Josie with again. No, them can't stop the Brigadier again. Come here and sing, do body, do body. No more lyrics just so rough enough. Can't hear you rough, man. Yeah, man. Lord, I said them can't stop the brigadier again. No, them can't stop the colonel again. Lord, them can't stop the sector him again. No, them can't stop the colonel him again. I tell you, Josie short, Josie fat, and Josie no outfit shot. When the brigadier remove them like a boomer shakata. Sector will lick on the soul and the people love that. People do about it. People do about it. People do about it. He's a general. He's a general. I know his worries, man. The other man like pie you want on the bar right now, I kill you. Lord. Hey, hey. They say you don't go home on a Wolverton mountain, and that is where you're gonna be my child. Your tender lips are sweeter than honey on a Wolverton mountain. That's the way we'll be. Lord, they say my daddy was a great old man. My daddy died with his gun in his hand. And Josie Wales, you couldn't be no fool. You couldn't come from no training school. He said, Josie, I'm depending on your son. You must love to fight fist to fist, go for the gun. It's up to you to do the best you can. But them can't stop Josie Wales again. No, can't stop Josie Wales again. Can't stop Josie Wales again. No, them can't stop Josie Wales again. I tell you, bring it tall, bring it brown, and him a dreadlock. Josie Wales, short and fat and every dance of a block. Papa Willie control and the people love that. Charlie Chaplin in the rental, that I know him just a flash. We say, passe, come here and daddy Josie. And the brigadier come from the dancehall and party. Never hear but Papa Willie come and select for we. What a boomer shaka come on a stereo for we. I say salute for the stereo. Salute for the stereo. Well, he's the man. They don't mean a general, man. I will rough. Yes. Oh. This is the story. Oh. Yes. The man called Cocotte said this one got to be good. Yes, Cocotte, played by the inspector. The greatest selector in the whole wide world. And he's the general. He's the principal. And I know where you roll.
Take your brother's life. Don't walk on street, big no contention. Don't go to no strife. Cause if you wanna reach anywhere here in life, boy, yes, if you wanna reach anywhere in life, my boy, she said, you gotta be good, you gotta be good, you gotta be good. Got to be good, my son. She said, you gotta be good, gotta be good, son. Got to be good.
Right now, I hear enough rumors spreading up. So yellow man, I'm take out him vice box of foreign and sell it down in Germany. I know it's pure girl. Because the other day when Joseph freeze, the whole world said dead stock. And then him here and I come all over them fret. Come in, yellow man, the king. Hey man. Come in, man. Come in, man. Want to see your face. The girl, let me pray for you, man. Come in, king. The girl, let me pray for you, man. Want to see your face. Without any disrespect. Us coming. Hey, oh da 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 da, bang da 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 da, come in, Daddy Yellow. Come in, a elephant. I dreamed last night and walking downtown. And Daddy Yellow missing. Brigadier upon the mic and Charlie Chaplin. Hope I will live away. Cause I rode through the dance hall with a mic in my right hand. Yes, I walk through the town and never sling no gun in my hand. But I, bye, but bang, but bye, 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 but bye, 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 bye. Hey, hey, yellow man, you make me cry, cry. You wish it America, you tell me bye, bye. And now you come back, cause I know we not lie. Hey, but bye, bye, but bye, 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 bye. Yes, and that they break it, come and chat it for ya. Yes, it means a son of a Rastafari. We know no Eden can conquer I dreamed last night that I was all about and no party. Tongue, the piper song. It was away with me. I walked through the mic last night with a mic in my hand. I walked through the dance last night with a mic in my hand. Hey, hey, who probably get shot the barber down in a hole harbor. Mr. the barber, I come with him scissors and pliers. Come and go on like him take dreadful prayers. Reggae squeeze him neck like a pliers. Them have to feed him pan lemonade and beer crackers. Josie Wales shot the barber. Josie Wales shot the barber. Inspector Willie kill a barber. That them can't charge him for murder. Yes, them could not charge him for manslaughter. Cause him a clean up the area. Down, yes. But a bye bye. But a bye 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 bye. Yes. Ragamuffin. And I try when I try. Come in, yellow man. Yeah. Come in, yellow man. Release up. Oh, yellow. You know that we love you. So just come in and we cry for you every time and pray for you. Every time. See? Let's come in and the people remember one look out for your face. And you could have signed up with JVC or RXP. You know we have to see your face. See?
What one
you're gonna sign $1 million contract, we still have to see your face. Why? So last year I know Inspector William Bond for select. I true enough. We must have to see yellow man face, man. Come in, General. Yes, man. Yellow. People are 5 years, what the man say? Achoo. No man no want dance with no woman, they want rope a man. That me notice. Hey man, I hear that go round. So it's alright. Now go on like yellow man, looking glass on my TV. Achoo, you know man. Achoo. He's going to mash up Jamaica Island, that's achoo. Achoo. Yes, achoo. He's going to mash up Jamaica Island, that's achoo. Now man, we left Jamaica Island and we go America. Watch it on the TV, read it in the paper. Some of them ball out loud, what a thing happen. Here's Mr. Killer, Mr. Rocks Hudson. Achoo. Yes, achoo. Here's the pan Jamaica Island picture. Now they found them from Belgium, them bring it back on the land. Start to spread it cause them mama man. They say when them do it, them can get $1 million. Yes, about the reggae man, you international. Why you tell them the right now, why you tell them the wrong? Yeah. Yes. Yes. Achoo, man. Achoo. Now look how the woman, them sweet and nice. And the man, them left the woman, them gone to man. Damn nastiness. Yeah. Damn nastiness, man. Yeah, man. Rastafari, no, we don't respect that. If I was the prime minister for this country, line up every fag and all of them I would have shot. And I buy them a couple and a Chris boat back. And bury the whole of them, we say up and down cut. Because them pass, the woman them no say aye. When them pass, the man them a ball out, bye all them things they bring water to me eye. Well, I feel it to me heart and soul. Well, I feel it, I feel it, yeah. Well, come in now, Colonel. Colonel can't do it, you know. Yes. Yeah, man. Brigadier. It's like them get the Brigadier wow. Oh, this is our original. Written by him and sung by Charlie Chaplin. Written by him and sung by Charlie Chaplin. Sing. Down. Credel. You shouldn't call them your daughter Credel. Don't you call them your daughter Credel. Fight like champion, them bad no hell. Kiss one of them, me say me whole face swell. It's like a gypsy must me put me on the spell. Try me bone and I run like a William Tell. The purple water from out of me well. Who powder ice that I know we can't swell. You come back call them Credel. Rough man. Yes, man. Lord, come catch it, no Batman, yes, no sodomite, no sodomite, yes, no Batman, because one the years, we know one the years. Now he's up, cause ever made the king taste it fresh.
Yeah. Good night. Merry Christmas, although it gone already.
Yeah, man, the king taste it fresh from New York, man. Big respect, king, I know we love you. You know we love you every time. Every time. Welcome in, king.
Yeah, man, that's true, man. Stop the rumor for me. People stop the rumor for me. Them put it in the star, me say in the green. Them a talk about yellow man have cancer. I want them know is a liar fucker. Just stop the rumor for me. People,
yeah, man. Talk about them black. Carry news for people here to watch them fat. Them a talk about Credel, Lord. Don't you call them your daughter Credel. Don't you call them your daughter Credel. Fight like champion, them bad no hell. Kiss one of them, me say me whole face swell. Like a gypsy must be put me on the spell. Come me bone and run like a William Tell. Cook on the rice and me know we can't swell. Dip up some water from out of me well. Credel, Lord. Come me say yes and then I bring it. Flash it for we. Yes and then the yellow. Chat it for we. Yes and Papa Willie come and select for we. Make a ram and dance all. But we come the party. And a zimmer so lot of who staggerly. Who stole the cookie from the cookie jar. Who me and you couldn't be there too. I'm a ragamuffin come and flash it for you. To the bang, what a boogie to beat. Yeah man come from foreign judge, I know him well sweet. Rough. This one called, no. If you're glad to see Yellow Man for the Christmas, just rough. Let me know why you're a little girl rough, you know. Rough. Yeah, man. Easy, General. Come in. Yes, man. Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Because we love you, because we love we. And we respect you, because we respect yourself. Hey. Yeah, man. What a thing called 19,000 cocos bag of herb. I'm going to just feed them some money and just bust the road like we're gone. Because ganja business is a big business. Right now, before going to ganja business, me know stop pay Peter Red and Peter Blue make the man look so trash for Christmas. Me know that. That's why me have to love the Peter Red, the Peter Blue. Me have to love the Peter Red, the Peter Blue. Briggy have to love the Peter Red, the Peter Blue. Me have to love the Peter Red, the Peter Blue. If me go downtown, I may need a pair of shoes. Me have to back a Peter Red and Peter Blue. If I need a pants to make I look slick, I have to have the Peter Red, the Peter Blue. If I need a shirt, man, to make I look trash, I have to have the Peter when the Peter blue. If I need an umbrella or a felt hat, one Peter red, me say me want the Peter blue. That's why me love the Peter and the Peter blue. That's why me love the Peter and the Peter blue. Now we're gone from urban, it's a urban trafficking. 3 o'clock in the morning. Urban, it's a urban smuggling. 3 o'clock in the morning. Now bring it up to brethren. Then drive a V6. Tell them about the business, them interested so quick. Them say Papa Briggy, put 2 grand in me hand. We bring from Westmoreland, left it to Kingston, man. Everybody's a urban smuggling. Right turn early in the morning, dig about the urban smuggling. Right turn early in the morning. Now we are come on the ferry, broke up in a roadblock. 1 mile, 2 mile, 3 mile per hour. When we buck up in the road lock, we see a sergeant coming out with a chalice in him hand. Him saying, Papa Briggy, tell me where you're coming from. Me telling me I come from Sensimalia land. Him say put a chalice load in Iman and I make it go on, go burn it behind the station. Him say press it set na foreign and make $1 million. And when you coming back by me a Toyota van, everybody's a urban smuggling. Right turn early in the morning, but this a urban smuggling. Herb, it must go to foreign. Herb, it must go to foreign. If them stop the airplane and put it on ship, if them stop the ship on submarine, if them stop the submarine with team 2 shark and full them belly with the cat kayak. Yeah, worries. Yeah, man. This is a thing called day and night. The Lincoln Continental Mercedes Benz Datsun Toyota Honda Nixon. Yeah, man. Why the man go to the control so like a prisoner? Yeah, man. Like a dog. The man go like control so like you don't want to get some fresh air. Like we are prisoner. You know, see it. We don't work them way there, you know. We want to get the fresh Christmas breeze too, you know. Because it's been an all day night since I've been working STUR GAV. All Christmas night, we've been working STUR GAV. All through the night, we've been working STUR GAV.
Sunday to Sunday, we play rubber duck. Coming out the country, we play rubber duck. People in the city, we make them.
Now, big request to the Colonel. I'm better than John Washington Bridge. No yellow man is safe. Because you're taller than for a state building. Yeah, man. It's been a hard day night.
Rubber duck. Coming on the scene like a music machine. Oh, watch out, I have just a little some steam. Dance well nice, can't hold my queen. Cause I'm around the monkey, just a nice little scene. It's just a all day and night. I'll be playing rubber duck. It's been an all day and night. I'll be playing rubber duck. The rubber duck, this is just become. The rubber duck, say I'm done cheap. The rubber duck, say VIP. The rubber duck, say they want some more. The rubber duck, we keep the crowd alive. The rubber duck, nobody try no place. The rubber duck, nobody do hey.
Well, me I tell you, man, Inspector will give me a draw sister, man. It's trouble. I mean, say no to dance can down to the broad daylight. Dance go right back to the boxing day. Turn the boxing the win already. Yeah, man. But me a girl go style. I'm not gonna finish it still. Right through Christmas night, me and Josie Wales DJ STUR GAV. Right through Christmas night, and the Colonel and DJ STUR GAV. Coming so right through Christmas night, me and the Colonel, yellow man talking STUR GAV. Everybody in the dance fall out, what a sound, all them couldn't say, it's a half. Some of them a come in a pants well tall, some of them a come with them pants cut off. I man a wonder if some of them do half, but a muggle them a muggle, John don't know them just a half. Because right through Christmas night, I'm a DJ, STUR GAV. Right through Christmas night, Josie Wales, talk to STUR GAV. I say all through Christmas night, Inspector Willie select STUR GAV. I'm the right through Christmas night, yellow man, dog and STUR GAV. We talk about this, we talk about that, we don't mention no aspect, no comfort. We talk about bowling, we talk about dreadlocks, we talk about them Muslim and some of them fat. Now we talk about all them who come from America and all them from England. All of them from Canada, all of them from St. Kitts, even right round to the reach Trinidad. It is a hard day night. I've been working like a dog. It's been a hard day night since I've been working on a job. So work from Monday till Friday come, and the boss man never give it no done. So buy 2 gallons of gas and burn the factory down. Now know the police can't come. Alright now, when you Inspector Willie walk, not them rhythm, yeah. You know, say Inspector Willie, know what I do? Man ball out, fret not yourself, Rasta people. Worry not yourself, dreadlock hydrant. Fret not yourself, Rasta people. Worry not yourself, Rasta brethren. Be brave, just be brave. Your old man go on now, imagine. Birds of them nests up high, foxes in their hole. We have no peaceful rest, we have nowhere to lie down, they said. Be brave, just be brave. But don't stop, because I say, worry not yourself, respect and willing. We are going 1986. Now worry not yourself, now the Josie. We are going mash up 86. Don't worry yourself, down the yellow. We are going ice up 86. Don't worry yourself, Brigadier. I like why mash up 86 because bird in their nests is up above, fox in their hole below. But we, the Son of Man, the Bible say, have nowhere to lie down in bed. Be brave. Yes, be brave. Man, ball out if you're moving up the line. I beg you, rock your waistline. Mosquito 1, mosquito 2, mosquito eat out the whole island. 10 mosquito figure out the lamp. Mosquito never come back till 1:15. Be brave. Be brave. Well, I walk on them style there, Inspector Willie. You know, say you know music. I mean, also the Colonel there. Love the DJ for Spain Town people. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Yes, what a happy day. 25th of December, Christmas Day. Pope and STUR GAV with the will select every day. Brigadier and the Colonel attack. Yes, yellow man coming to fresh from New York. Bye. Don't draw my leg. Hey, don't crowd my DJ. You know the Colonel say. Yes, I hear the Brigadier yellow man say. Yes, I Charlie Chaplin say. Africa we going one day. So you are when a STUR GAV play. Bang dang, dang. Don't pull my leg, cause I could never beg. I don't deal with cigarette. Uncle look kill a goose on lady golden egg. You do that man, you must have to beg. If I ever one chicken leg, Papa Josie, yes, him now big friend. Bang bang, ding. We got to see the land. Don't mess with Brigade. Don't you mess with Willie. Don't you mess with Yellow Man. And don't you mess with Charlie. And don't you mess with Josie. It could be a trick, who knows? It could be a trick, who knows? Solve your own problem. Yes, you can't beg no friend. When you go in a Zion, every top on his own bottom. We have to set the foundation. Stir up, rough, Rama jam. Well, easy man, kind of right now. We are going down in the studio one. The circle, not the yellow. I know right now, big respect all over the world. All over the world, and we international. The system is a fraud. The system is a fraud. The system is a fraud. Mr. Brown, Mr. Black, Mr. White. Them a tell we say that don't right. Fire machine gun and them a build down the mind. One come give Papa Brigadier and Josie a fight. But the system is a fraud. The system is a fraud. You know so. They build them atomic weapon and nuclear bomb. Want to shoot, down they will lay down. Yes, we're there, we know we are the ground. Coming from the foundation, must have fun. Now stop chanting, we sight the sun. Come here, big count, cow and drink wine. You know so. I used to do some dangerous traditions. I used to walk with the gun in my hand. I used to even heat out a butter pan. But now I'm on grown and me understand. That the runnings with no rights in a creation. Them set up with a fight against one another man. The system is a fraud. The system is a fraud. Yes. Some man can't go up so some can't go down so. Oh, what a thinking we must live so. Look how we nice dancing calypso. I mean we seen fish and we okra. The system is a fraud. The system is a fraud. Hey, Mr. Brown, Mr. Black, Mr. White, come in that the brigade cannot rise. The man says, run, don't walk. Yeah, thing called bandolo. And I man read and children don't love bandolo. I will try bandolo me too. Yeah man, imagine that's what they've been doing all the time, all of the time. Playing bandolo and poor people mind, the poor people mind. People don't just see that is madness. When will I and I get little gladness? Only people we can run see us drop down and die. The show us away and we must survive. Go down, bandolo man, go down. Oh now, go down. 99 feet on the Georgia ground. Cause you should around the old man money and kill the policeman and his Josie. They go down, bandolo man goes down. Give it on good and clear. This time tomorrow you will be in a different world. Hanging from the Spanish town gallows behind the cold prison wall. You better make yourself right with Jah. I'm begging my mercy on your soul. You wicked bandolo, copper and lead will cool you. Oh, Mr. the Almighty God will kill you. Up a dumb cat, man, so the most have to bury you. Have you been? Now come in now, Colonel. Every time. Yes, we're Rasta, brother. One aim, one hope, one destiny. Rastafari guide the whole away. Lord, that's what they doing all the time. Time. They playing bandolo on everyone mind. Yes, mine. Go down, bandolo. Go down. 6'6" on the Georgia ground. Rough. The seed that you sow, you shall surely reap. And silent river must have to run deep. Yeah, my brigade. If you want to know your friend, pretend like you're dead. Then you will hear how much remarks pass over your head. Rastafari know, but a man can't go no further than Jaja let him. I said the man can't go no further than Jaja let him. Ba-da-da-dang-ding. Yes, Jah make the world, man, the sea and the land. Fasten them together with his mighty hand. Under his control, he move at his command. Nobody but Jah. Nobody but Rasta. Nobody but Jah. Nobody but Jah. Cause our flash lightning and our roll thunder. Which man on earth can exercise Jah? Biggest man in this life was once a baby in this life. Ribba-da-ding, ribby-dibby-doo-doo-doo-ding. Ragamuffin come again. Ragamuffin come again. Ragamuffin come again. Papa Riggy come again. Yellow pass in a saddle. In a saddle, Inspector Willis. Lord, but then, I want nothing, they call him Rhythm Rider. Call him Rhythm Rider. Yes, Papa Josie riding through the area. Rhythm Rider, call him Rhythm Rider. Yes, I'm the brigade riding through the area. What they ask them, I gallop like a racer track. Anywhere that they go, man, they can't look back. Run the wheel in the air with me back wheel a glider. Big $2, don't I see what time. Watch the ride, Josie, watch the ride. Papa brigade, Papa Willie, full of shame and pride. Ribby Baba Ding. Ragamuffin come again. Bang, bang, down, dang, yes. Argument, bringing up argument. Confident, really intelligent. Like a ram dancer, cause we are president. When Christmas come, we don't get no present, yes. Sunday come, we have to pay, we read. And we walk on the street and we don't deal with violence, yes. Put a bye, put a bye, bye, yes. Put a bye, put a bye, bye. You know, say that the Josie, I'm not trying, not try. I know, say Papa Brig is the son of Rastafari, yes. And Papa Willie, I'm still left behind. Anywhere that my pass, man, I still see I. Ribbo-doo-bing, bang, bang. Josie, come again, and tell your friend, bang, bang. Ragamuffin again. Hey, now the Josie come again. Lord, Lord. They say one cocoa, and that full basket. Hey, how will they used to live big today, and tomorrow you a dog shit. Badang, ribby-doo-doo-ding. And the Josie come again. Hey, Papa Briggy come again. Yeah, man, we are Rhythm Rider, man. Original, shoot the one. Original, rise, Papa Willie. Rise. Right now, this one dedicated to my brethren, Brigadier General, who preach culture all over the years. Yeah, man. Enough like a fashion DJ come and talk. I want to hear about them. We used to summer sell all nickel bag in New York. And we still about ya. Every knee shall bow, no. Every tongue confess, yes. On that day, on the blessed day, all shall tremble like a leaf when Jah shall come again to judge everyone. Rastafari know them a people. Them a people. Bow right now. Them a people. Bow ya right now. Yes. Some of them face they have a whole mash up cow. Lord, go to your mama go row. Don't come and STUR GAV if you walk yo. You want to lick with a plow. Your face they have a whole cow. Now they Josie and still gonna come again. Yeah. Right now there's a time for everything and now it's Christmas. So let's look into ourselves and turn a new leaf. And start with New Year resolution. See? Okay, I'm going like this. Now come in, General. I don't know how you chop out them rhythm here. See? Yeah, man. No wrong. We send come call the Brigadier from New York. Got them no wrong. We send come call the Brigadier from New York. Cause them don't know me as no cocaine starter. Them only know me as the good ganja smoker. Tell me if me wrong. No wanna for the yard. Man ball out anytime you're sorry for your maga dog. Maga dog turn round by you. But if you jump out a frying pan, you're bound to jump in a fire. She ball out so she come from country in a country chop. She come to Kingston, says she look a little walk. Take it up one time for me again. Inspect how we live because you know so me and you were I just two and we are two best friends I would say. Lord have mercy. You don't soap and you don't start, you hear me again. Started a run with a one chunk bed. They call little girl me said to be my fan. When me find out she a dinner. Now on every day she just a ball fishy belly. Now me ask her what the matter, she I show I dread for starter. Ask her what the matter, she I show I dread for starter every day. The same complaint. The dreadlocks were dang bang is going in vain. So when them take her to the doctor, take her 6:15. Doctor, take out in tongue, start to set it. Step up and break him when you keep missing on this. He said the doctor, you know she no sick. The doctor whisper the ears and say, I'm fit, she fit, you want to fit. You want to fit, you want to fit, you want to fit. We jump out and press the fit, you want to fit. We dance them your music, you want to fit. We make your flank tail them split, you want to fit. We listen Mr. Breaking lyrics, you want to fit. We listen Mr. Josie lyrics, you want to fit. We skank off and stereo gas. When you hear the champion, so judge I know it no sound. You should not see when we take it off a walk. Walk talk like when them to the president from America. When them go and send kids, everybody jump and shout the STUR GAV come back. String up the sound, then we start playing that. Bass a come through the big box. The steel on, the treble, the midget on the top. Now choose the hold the mic and then it started to chat. Little laugh for that salute a peer gunshot. When him pass the mic on to Daddy Charlie, everybody jump and shout what a DJ Irene. Now them give the mic on to Brigadier Jerry, and the dance never stop till 6:30. The dance never stop till 6:30. Them ball up in the sorry for a maga dog. A maga dog turn round bike you. I talk for the colonel, cause we rule the station. Oh yeah, if you put on the have white shirt, must align a mud. So last year I know. So last year I know, see. Yes. Bubble for wing, Willie, bubble for wing. Don't you select for ragamuffin Josie. Chat it for wing, Brigadier chat it for wing. Don't you select for the one Charlie, yes. Chat it for wing, Josie chat it for wing. Oh, I select for the Papa Willie. From dancehall and we can't function. Can't wall bigger sex and down a sorry, yes. And black people beg you pray for me. And black people beg you pray for me. Don't want to cry for me now. Hey, don't you cry for me now. Don't cry for me. I must be mad. Can't cry for the general. I have a prayer for Inspector man. I pray for the colonel. Cause my food done, my belly hungry. Shirt them a tear up and my pants them a go. Even if me end up like funny young client. One thing me full of man a shame and pride. Now go on a boat, now go down a seaside. Coulda cry for me now. Hey, rough, with big boat here. Tough, with large boat here. Tough, ragamuffin boat here. Tough, yes the Brigadier. Rough, yellow man boat here. Rough, Charlie Chaplin boat here, yes. And down the Josie man you know something. We're not your past, you are DJ King. Ram it in the Bronx, York and Brooklyn. Any drink you love, man, a hot time again, yes. And down the Josie you must understand. When Brigadier you can't any session. Especially when you hold the mic in your left hand. Boom shaka tap for you a champion. Well, he's a black people, I know right now we love you. Hey, rough. Boy. Hey, when you hold the girl, hold me strong. When you squeeze me long. What you mean? Never let me down, girl. Please wear my crown. Now this is the start. So you mean? Love we to fall up you are. Love I wish all of the world. Hey, rest out of east, me rest out of north. Man of the road, yeah, man of some men know me smart. Base full of liver spot a river what? 50,000 here and me and you can't pass. Although, sometimes you want to give a bun. See me down the street behind you with me gonna run you down. No man no business in a woman and man fight. Because of this one them hug up when it comes tonight. So yeah, my brigade. If you're sick, a man, a box on him girlfriend, don't business with them. Just leave them angry. Cause one thing when the two of them head up on the pillow is your name them a show so and so. And so we don't want a guy come criticize we. And we are rasta and them can't mix up in a say. Yeah we do. Hey, Charlie Chaplin and no time biscuit up. The papa break you one go bun ganja cook. Yes, Josie Wales company, nice it up. Ragamuffin syrup jam from it up. Hey! Come in general, legal. Why not sound like a cannon? Yeah. Man say, I told you once and I told you twice. You must not fight, no, you must not fight. Man ball out, Jamaican till you mouth rubber dump sound. Jamaica till you mouth the tank of the town. Jamaica show we how we mash them down. No man a go on like he's a blasted clown. Come we ram it in a Jonestown, in a Trench Town, Wise Town, Spain Town, Kidston Town, Alman Town, Franklin Town, in a Rose Town. What about Mr. Boys Town? Give me no star. Chop up a surga for the rubber dump sound. Chop up a surga for the tank of the town. Inspector Willie Black, Brigadier bro. Tuba we are work with the champion sound. Them say, yes Papa Brigadier and Josie are the talk of the town. Mash up in the dance, cause I am no clown. Listen with DJ some solid sound. Rastafari know, some overseas and some back home. You know say I don't have no time to roam. I'm on dash for the scissors and fling with the comb. And fling 19 shots in the 4 of Rome. Because I saw a girl fit on the road, but I saw a girl fit on the talk of the town. Now but it's sick or sad or lazy. Baby, don't bother go like you getting too crazy like Sister Daisy. Cause I say go make a chat, rubber dumb sound. Come make we chat for the talk of the town. Box them black, speed long and top. Mid-range and also sweeter at that. When we talk, me say the dance all tight. Because we have some nice good tone of vibe. All they want for do is only truly understand. Raise our right hand to the Almighty One. Because as the young rubber dumb sound. Many changes in life. So right now when you find a good girl, settle down and make she be your wife. Cause good girls are hard to get. Yeah man. Lord of mercy. What's that now? You don't understand what's going on in the world today, but fear nastiness and slackness. Lord of mercy. I want you help them, Jehovah. I want you help them, my Father. I want you help them, Jehovah. I want you help them, my Father. So the locks of feet and for 2-foot table. Cause them things they belong to the devil. Make your master God why him buck up in a trouble. And you coulda never enter in a evil. Why man a use them mouth a shovel? Don't you know so that a bigger trouble? That break it. Interruption. Coming now, Principal Colonel. Yeah, well, you have to be no brigade. You see me? With a man who have to brush my teeth regular. And we don't want a girl we have blown a trumpet come kind of kiss me. Saying so nowadays me afraid. I'm still with that guy we go out with certain things more than a sex bottom, you know. And the body business. And then up and down business, we don't deal with that. Rastafari, you know. In him, she Josie young. He keep on me neck long. She Josie young. Run come give my kiss long. She Josie deck. He keep on them neck long. She Josie deck. Run come give my kiss. We used to walk from downtown, go straight up parade. And when I'm tired, we drink me lemonade. But nowadays that the Josie woman, Me now go a street, come and catch me afraid. Me say me don't want no hate, me no want no hate. Want no hate, me no want no hate. And all of them on the way a kiss and caress. I hold out her girl and I fill up them breasts. One thing me want them to understand. I saw her name is terrorizing the land, yes. She Josie there, run come give my kiss, yes. She Josie young, she keep on him neck long. She Brigadier, do put a brain there. She Willie there, don't care my bit. Yeah, rough general. One punch girl, we don't want no one punch girl. Yes, they don't want no one punch man. One punch man, they don't want no one punch man. Yes, the girl don't want no one punch man. They want a man with drive a station wagon, drive a Toyota or a Land Rover. We coming on the dance by a dozen liquor and post and show up in a beer corner. Yes, lazy body, we don't want no lazy body. Lazy body, we don't want no lazy body. We prefer have a girl with her face wrinkle, more than walking on the face up like a turtle. Some lose it in them face and gain it in them waist. And them come to Papa Brigadier, Lord, it is a disgrace. Yes. One frog girl, we don't want no one frog girl. We want a girl with full of ambition. Want a girl fi come cock up put her in a rental. Want a girl fi come show me how she original. Yes, change her on Jennifer and dance. Come in on the dance, let me see how you go on this. Briggy, and Josie, and Charlie, and Willie. Anyway that them pass, man, a reality. And a whole lot of girl, just a model for we. So we run me dance hall, and we conk the party. And it's so yes, we rest up in New York City. And sometimes we take a far of Miami. And when we come back a US currency. One pants girl, I don't want no one pants girl. It's on the Josie man, the original. In general, I'm going to say it's Colonel. He's the principal and Inspector Willie. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Hey, stop playing hide and seek. Come on and rock with me. I shouldn't let you get away. You're so sweet and you're so kind. Are you coming? Are you coming now? Are you coming? Tell me, are you coming now? Lord, try with a house and a nice place to live. Wash away your TV and wash away your fridge. Under your bed coming like flatbread. That's why me move from down a Spring Village. We have my brethren, him no keep no promise. Him name Papa William go a St. Thomas. Them people were in bed, also in mattress. And burned down him house last week with gas. And if him never kill him, would have up on the gallows, yes. Try with the house and a nice place. Freeze! Who goes there? Come in, General. Yeah, man. Oh, you're not styling on stokes. In the good old days, you know. Lord have mercy. I man say, run come not the dreadlocks, Mr. Run come now. Run come ballad, Mr. Run come now. Run come not the dreadlocks, Mr. Run come now. Run come black and white and Mr. Run come now. Long time we don't have no nice time. Long time we don't have no fun. It's a Babylon you're calling but you really don't know. Babylon you're calling but you really don't know. What Jaja do want to Sodom and Gomorrah. Jack can do it unto Babylon tomorrow. Are you coming to Holy Mount Zion? Are you coming every Einstein lion? Are you coming to Holy Mount Zion? Are you coming here where you got to come? John the kings of kings, the lords of lords. Hong Kong the lion man, him rules us all. The light of this world, ever living God. Him rule at the earth with the iron rod. Are you coming to Owen? Said I Owen, are you coming to Owen? Said I Owen, listen, forward, the wicked man, forward if you change. Forward, black man, forward. Forward, the white man, forward. Forward ballad, and I'm so dreadlock. Forward if you white white, slim or brown, maybe too really fat. Forward like it was far before I say. Come Mr. Lot, why don't you know she turn a feel a rock star? To her greediness and fear, oh no fall. Jano, lotally, she never look back. But her riches was on her mind, so she have to turn back. Are you coming? The only thing I own. Are you coming? To Zion. Are you coming? Gotta make a step to progress. Why ain't I jolly the best man, especially Queen? Love to die with the run long dress man. Yeah man. I am independent officially because I want you to believe me. We'll keep a Christmas party tonight. I want everybody go home sleeping, feeling nice. Tell your friend tomorrow how nice soul you play. Tell your I twin tomorrow how sweet down the Josie DJ. Tell your brethren tomorrow every word that Brigadier say. Tell your brethren tomorrow Inspector Willie, he make the sound play. Because we got to live our life before we go on down the ground. Oh yes, we got to live our life before we go home. Imagine, time is short, soldier, we pray. Remember, there's another day. Briggy, don't try to work yourself away. Just live the life the best you can, cause we got to live some life before we go H-O-M-E home. We got to live, we gotta 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 live. You know the Christmas party. I hope everybody feel irate. Well, keep on listening to the champion sound. Cause right now me and the colonel are working. Watch a man no seize yourself, man. Yes, brother. Ba-ding, bang, ba-da-da-ding. Ba-da-bye, bye-bye. Ba-da-bye, bye-bye. Ba-da-bye, bye-bye, 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 bye-bye. Down the Briggy and the king, and they know him can sing. Yes, a ragamuffin man, them drink tiny king. Yes, a Papa Willie just sing on the ring. Listen, stereograph and a water something. Though how we gonna ban them make Vaseline. Don't a separate, me say they make highly nothing. Don't a D&G, man, they make Heineken. We find Spanish town in a St. Can't drink. On the Josie Wales, with them make away the ring. They jump on the plane and then make on a friend. But me say what a sin thing, louder in a foreign. So the whale, them a control every queen and thing. When them pass on the street, a lot of strictly roadblock. But a boom, shock attack, Brigadier Dreadlocks. Come on, baby, come home. Baby, come home. No more will I roam. No more will Inspector Willie roam. No more will the Colonel roam. Like a king, sit on his throne. Come home, I beg you come home. This girl, man, she left me and gone. Not through my pocket, must be run out of corn. She say, hey, your pocket too short. I want a man that in pocket is tall. I want to run like Sons River Fall. The way high man, just a ball. She said me heart break a love, make a peace, make a rum dance, ganja, smoker. In a this a area, undercover lover, boom shocking on the area. Rum dance, master, Poopa, Bricky, them bound ya. Yes, Poopa Willie and the rum dance selector. Stereo of the king sound flashing in the area. Come on, baby, come home. Baby, come home. I make you come home. Now, little girl, I love you the best. And every day I wanna buy you new dress. If you won't stop running up your mouth, another woman gonna get you out. Come home, baby, come home. Baby, come home. I beg you, come home. Me say me have a sister, she rests a Manchester. Every day she get up, she a work home there with her man for young back, woman for young back. Lime leaf, color road, granny backbone. Dead man get up and lip on thorough, yes. Saucy perilla, lemongrass. Only thing the woman never had was a good strong collie weed. Yeah. Right now, just rough her up, see. What I know, say, wish they had a American man. Think me coulda get you. Think me coulda get you. Think me coulda get you. Yes. Emmanuel Zachariah Zaki Paul. Yes, sir. I'm brought here for stealing and robbing and shooting on the street. Guilty or not guilty? Not guilty, sir. Yes. I'm Brigadier General. Yes, sir. I'm brought here for chanting rubber dub and STUR GAV. Guilty or not guilty? Guilty, sir. Oh, I love STUR GAV so much. Not to himself like a powder puff. Yes, Papa Willie with the tender touch. Put on the record and them give it toothbrush. Never come and dance with him pocket broke. I if it come to put him on feet that now. When it come to girls, Papa Willie do him blow. Yes. Oh, Daddy Willie, you go rum it tonight now. yo. Papa bring him a go jump it tonight now. yo. Yes. Daddy Brigadier and Daddy Josie and Papa Willie. Man ball out, see the. Think I couldn't hold you? See the. You think I couldn't get you? Man ball out and say, be town with it. Thompson spark with it. I know prison oval with it. I know Lovebird Club with it. We see ballad and dreadlocks and black and white thing. In a Thompson spark and listen that they freaky. They say he wants a lovely and a nice MC. Fly over all the ocean, over the sea. Then Johnny broke a ankle man and dash it off to me. I told Ma, and Ma told Pa. And Johnny get a beatle, me say, we control them. Yes, me say we hold them. Man ball out, see the. STUR GAV hold you. Me say, see the. Papa Josie hold you. Now, Danny Briggy have to hold you. Inspector Willie, him have to hold you. Even on STAR, because I know New York with it. I know Philadelphia with it. I know Pennsylvania with it. I know Alabama with it. I know Chicago with it. Imagine a yard with it. Place called Spain Town with it. Place like Thompson Spark come in the center when the weekend could never really truly enter. And that place you could have continued to make the control to the shower. The song called STUR GAV Hi-Fi. That man called Inspector Willie. Make it cause they really try where you are. Someone I would say, Lord have mercy. Give it on STAR. Man ball out, I need a love that is real. Tougher than the concrete man, is smoother than the steel wall. I need a love that is real. Baby, something my heart can feel. After you no blind and you no deaf and judge, I know you no dumb. Then why you and your boyfriend can't cycle down? I just see another man, your skin catch a fire. Them man fit out to about 2,000 gallon of water. But I need a love that is real. A love that I man can feel. A love that is clean and kind and gentle. A love that is smooth and cool. Don't want the daughter, we think I feel fool. Ride up on me back like a donkey or a mule. Me sit down on me shoulder like a man is a stool. Take it with my money so I go a distance school. She pass her test and get her Grammy. She a flash pass me in a Lincoln County. I blow her hand and I press her on. I pass me like these a peeping Tom. That's why I need a love that is real. Tougher than concrete, smoother than steel. I need a love that is real. Ever than thunderbolt and even than the might. I want a girl to treat me nice in the mingle and also in the night. Take care of the kids, she can be my wife. Spread up the bed, Mr. Shine up the house. Don't run around the town like she's a damn Mickey Mouse. And I let her for herself like in a damn gas balloon. She pushes the man and clean the room. I man, want a love that is real. Ever than concrete, smoother than any steel. I need a love that is real. Love even a blind man can feel. But love is very gentle and very cool. Don't make a daughter turn her head in a fool. That you can end up on Green One Road and you go a Bellevue. Little after come on, people laugh after you. Just get a love that is real. Real. Like the man called Brigadier wanna love a really fool. Cause the dreadlocks like me, just know I man too cool. Yeah, man. Along with the man called the Colonel of the area, man called Brigadier, yellow man pass through. Look much nicer son to get for Christmas night, man. His worries look more than this thing. Well, look more than this thing is trouble. Yeah. So call him, man. Man Mr. Parliament. Man balloon, please. Mr. Parliament. Bring one crocus box of sensi for me. I beg you, please, Mr. Charlie Swen. Please bring your chalice and lend me. If you don't have any chalice, bring 5 pack of whistler. We go burn ganja till really next year. First flick the light, man, me feel irate. Second split me light, me so me feel nice and cool. Third split me light, me in a meditation. Meditate what you gonna do when it comes to 86. When, like the fourth split, the head gets tight. Like the fifth one and everything was alright. When we burn the sixth split, then by 86. And then the time we are go flash the lyrics. Don't come in, Mr. Colonel. Come flash peace and the sense Emilia for we. Yes, Celestia. Rasta live, but you know that's how we do it. We love to live and laugh and happy. I will come down to getting cracking. We are cracking. It's happy boy. Yes. I said the war between we and the Batman, them can't over. They will come with them hands and them herb piss and mash up Jamaica. Ribada man, that's the truth. Hey Batman, go away for you. Yes, you eat your praise and you eat your hallelujah. Yes, I chose the way that me no want past you. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-dang-dang. Ba-wa-da-dang, don't like the two man too close, girlfriend. Something is going on we can't understand. And you hear from the show class, them a batty man. That's the truth. Ba-da-da-da-da-dang, do. Bam-ba-da-ba-da-ba-dang-dang-do. This make me go in a weird girl peepee choo. It must go in a what you do choo. Ba-ding a little dang-dang-do. Ba-ding a wa-da-da-da-ribby-bang-boo. Ba-da-da-da little bang-do. Yes, Lord, you have a man that was a farmer, spent 3 years in America. Come back on Jamaica with the AIDS for himself. In the place, them kick him off the shelf. Bring him in the public, them don't want him. Bring him up by Josie, it's the same thing. Them have to bury him in a hole down at St. Catherine. That's why Josie Wales not drink from no one here. The war between we and the Batman and them can't over. Them will come with them. Become myself Jamaica. Ribby-da-da-dang-bang-doo. Yes. Welcome in original DJ. Can you know it go? Fast we are past show, you know. I know. We love the sound and thing. We are Rasta, I wanna care. See? We don't care. Come in original DJ. Bang dang dang ding. Bang one dang dang ding. Bang dang dang ding. Bang one dang dang ding. Bang one dang ding. Bang one dang dang ding. Don't make that face in 1985. Lord, I got to join in 86. And I'm a Josie Wales proud of this year. I want to even isolate myself next year. I don't care. Yes, I Josie Wales, I don't care. Bang, 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 bang. I don't care. I'm a no care. Bang, 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 yes. Driving a car up a half a 3 square. Inspector Sergeant Brigadier could be there. Right down on my foot, it's just a box of beer. You can bet your life that my chalice is here. I don't care. I'm a no care. Ribbit. Well, I care for nothing else. The only thing for me is my steamed fish and my huckrow. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Any day now. Happy cookies at the home. Badang, yes. Some man love cow, some man love goat. But Josie Wales and them love to run boat. Him and him 59 brethren pon them conga down. Don't run with them, or you will hear we Bushmaster. We no care, don't care, pass it rough. I don't care. With a bang, dang, yes. Papa Willie in the circle. Come in original. Ribbit Colonel, pass the challenge in a circle.
Wagwan ENT.